Welcome to Kellogg, the Hub, the Global Classroom, and welcome to Leading with Analytics, taught by world premier faculty.
What makes you effective when you are involved in driving analytics? We are going to argue that what you need is what we call a working knowledge of data science.
Leading with Analytics empowers today's leaders to turn analytics into genuine insight, to quickly judge good from bad analytics, and to plan for and create a data-driven and business outcome-driven environment.
You will learn that good decisions follow from careful planning, anticipating the complexity of real-world optimization problems, and integrating your expertise with analytics.
Participants leave this program equipped with the tools and mindset required to put data and analytics to practical use to achieve dramatically superior business results. Join participants from around the globe. Welcome to our community of learners, leaders, and innovators. Welcome to Leading with Analytics.